Now let's take a look at the true and false statement in Excel. In Excel, logical function and decision making are built with a statement that evaluates to true or false. Excel has 6 logical operators to determine true or false, and they are listed in the table below. The statement 1 equal 1 is true because 1 is equal to 1. Would 1 equal to 2 evaluate to true or false? Now look at down here, here's all the operator that Excel take in. Operators equal sign is equal to, the meaning of it is equal to. Operator, this one is not equal to. Operator, this one is less than. This one is greater than. This one is less than or equal to. And this one is greater than or equal to. So would 1 equal 2 evaluate to true or false? What did you think? False. Now the statement 1 is not equal to 1 evaluate to false because not equal that operator mean not equal to, and it would be false to say 1 is not equal to 1. So what would 1 not equal to 2 evaluate to? This one should be true. The statement of 4 greater than or equal to 1 evaluate to true because that operator means greater than or equal to, and 4 is greater than or equal to 1. What would 1 is less than or equal to 2 evaluate to? Because 1 is less than 2. What would 1 is less than or equal to 1 evaluate to? What do you think? It's going to be true because 1 is equal to 1. What would B5 equal to C5 evaluate to? So over here, you have to go down to your table and you look at B5, which is 950, and C5 is 950. So is 950 equal to 950? The answer is true. Now, what would B2 greater than B3 evaluate to? So for here, you go down again. B2 is 1000. Is that greater than B3, 1200? The answer is false. What would B2 greater than or equal to C6 evaluate to? Now first you have to look at B2, which is 1000, and then what is C6? You go down here and you see C6 is another 1000. So is 1000 greater than or equal to 1000? The answer is